welcome in the second tutorial of course Java create virus in Java. Okay, so in the last video or in the last tutorial, we've seen how we can create a virus that will create a lot of folders, and inside every folder will create a lot of files. So if you use this virus, it will create maybe you will create a million of files that will break up device of your victim, whatever is Android or is a phone or a PC. So in this tutorial we will learn something different, but is close to what we learned in the last time. So first I should tell you that this tutorials or this course is for learning purpose only. We are not responsible about any damage that you can do it in your device or any other device. Okay? So there I will tell you first a funny story. There are some guys think that by a report on my videos that they will destroy me or something like that. I want just to say this, okay, this word. I want them to understand this word. I don't care about you. I don't even know that you are exist really. Okay, so just some guys show me some screenshots about what you are saying. Try do your best. I don't care. Okay, I have Allah, and no one is powerful than Allah. So do whatever you want. So it will start, guys. So I have made some changes on our main class of our virus. As you can see, I added here two methods, and I will explain everything one by one. Okay. So in our main activity, or sorry, our main method, I have used only this virus folder method. We are do this just to make our virus more faster, and our virus should be work without any problem. So to make it faster and to make it easier for us to modify our virus if you want to add something or something like this. So here we have our void that name virus folder, so it's a static void. Inside this I have used the same method or the same for loop that I used in the previous video. Just I changed something. Okay, so just here there are another loop for loop. Just I replace this code with this method. Okay, so here is our path as we said last time. This is a random from our files, and etc etc etc. So here I will turn this to true to see. Okay, it will repeat many times, or just it will leave it false. Let me open here our void that the virus file. It will create a lot of files. Okay, so I will repeat this only for 3 times, so it will create only 3 folders, and inside every folder it will create 2 files. You can make it 500, 2 million, whatever you want. So you will find this just like the same time. What's our new here? I have added create a new method here, or new class. This class is contain 2 methods with the same name, run. What the difference between these two? Because in some devices this work, in other devices this other one is work. So wherever your device or wherever your Windows system, if this is not a system, if you don't use Windows, you are using Linux or whatever you are using, just search for the code that you will do. It's something close like this. Just this is not a CMD, and it will work with terminal or whatever. So I will explain just one of those because they are the same. So let me explain. Let me see our import. First I have import here from Java.io. I have import file. Okay, and I have import also IO exception and Java runtime. Okay, so here I have a method with one parent is a path of our CMD file that we want to execute. Here I have used a try and catch to try because maybe this will crash because the path is not is wrong or something like that. So that's why we use try and catch. If you don't know anything about try and catch, just you can search on try and catch in Java, and you will learn everything about it. So here we have create a string array named command. Inside this we have three params or four elements. Sorry. The first one is we will work with cmd that you will find this in your in your Windows system. Okay, and etc. Other the other params is clear. I will not explain this because we need to go to the project. You can search for this. Here I have used a process to execute this in a runtime. Okay, so I execute this code in a runtime. So we need to create a new class because we will execute many type of CMD files. So I will create from here. You can click only on your project, or from this file here, click new and add a new class. I will give him a name as bat code. Okay. Don't add any params. It's a public, of course, and it will finish. I will create here a public static string, let me say here bat1 equal okay, it's clear and easy. So we will create our the path that we want to use. Okay, so I will add that 2 or 3. Give me a minute or a second, whatever. Okay, and I will change name 2, 3. I will just use 3 types. We do this just to make our code more clear and more faster. Okay, so here I have a simple virus, as you can see here. Okay, I will add some. I will convert this to be in one of those. So give me a second. So guys, after finish this, I will just go to here. I'll pass this code in one line. This is just a fake CMD. I will not make any dangerous CMD in my device. I want just to teach you. Okay, so I will teach you some basics. If you don't know anything about CMD, to run a new CMD. Okay, sorry, I have here a calculator. CMD, beautiful. So first one is this code echo. Right. This echo if it will turn off this. Yep, it will turn off these lines. It will not show you anything of these lines. Yep. So if we click, there is no more of these lines. Okay. We can change the title of this CMD or console. Title virus 1. As you can see, the title was now virus 1. We can do something else. You can write here color. You can write color from 0 to 9 and from A to F. So let me write, and you can use them both. Okay, I can use like this, and you can see the color. Also, I can use something like this. Or I can use something also like this. Whatever you want to use. So I will just use a default. So I will use sorry, this color. Okay, something like this is beautiful. So this is everything. So we have another thing. We can use some CLS like this. It will clear everything in our screen. So this is some basics. So we can define a variable by writing a name for our variable and use this symbol. Okay, we have now a variable. And it's not like this. This is not a variable, sorry. This is a point we will return to it with using a go to. Okay, we can show text with right here echo and any text you want. It will show the text. So I will create another virus. Give me a second to write all the viruses that I will return to you. So guys, we return again after write all viruses. So I will use here just a tree. So let's return to our main virus. I will just copy this line. Okay, so after copy this line, I will paste it again twice. So nice and beautiful. So here I just change. After my voice changed because I am sick. So not a coronavirus, of course. And right here, run. If you are watch this video after 2 or 3 years, I am now in 2021 in a coronavirus year. That is beautiful. So I will change the name to CMT. Oh, beautiful. And here just I will copy this and right here, run CMT. Beautiful. Here I will write our bat. So bat code. Well, but we don't do anything. We need to do something here. We need to save this file. This virus, we need to save it again. And here I will make it code. I will copy this line. I am work with one hand, and the other hand I am using a mic to make my voice good and to make noise less noise. Okay, now we are ready. So what I will do is I will change this. But first, let's return to here. I have a great idea. I get this idea just right now. So I will write here public static again to use it inside our method. String. This will be a string. So this string, I give him a name as a bat, whatever is random bat. Okay, so this our string here, it needs something. Where is the work? So I will save and it will check. I think there is no error, just yes, we need a return statement. We will add it here, return just okay. So here I will put a random name. So our random should be a random name. So I will use here int a. So I will do something like this. F. Okay, I will use here F. So give me a second, I will make everything clearly and we will return again. Let me check sound. Okay, it's good. So I make here just a few lines of if then else. You can do it simply without this if then else. I just I empty tuner, so I will not do anything good. So I will save the here. Okay, so we have here a string. What we will do, we will go to our virus here in our file, and we will delete this line, and I will write something. It's code dot run path. Here I will use I need to use a random, so I will write a make dot. We have here something named random that we are using here, so I will use random from 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Okay, so it will give me a random text that I will use it here. I will put it here. After that I will write here cmd dot run. So I will run with one path, this method. So here what the path that I will use. Simply I will first I will go to this part, or just let me use it here. I will create a string, as you can see here. I will give him name UTS. I will write here first make dot path dot concatenate like this. I will I need to add a slash like this. Then again concatenate. Here we will put our file. Okay, so this is path. Then it will add a slash. Then we need to get the folder. So this is the folder. So I will write text, as you can see here, and it will tell me that this text is not exist. So I will fix this. And I will use here con. Okay, so I will give me a second. I will copy this, make this string outside of this loop. Okay, and I will to do just to save time. So guys, just I move this txt string that make the random name for us from this part, from here to here, just to use it in our other method. Okay, so here after added the name of our folder, we will add a slash, and here we need something. We need the name of our random script. So I will write here random. The random is the name of here. Okay, now we need to close our string, and here let's run. We will put a string script, sorry, with this, and we can run this, and our code is ready. It will test if this code will work or not. So here, this code I will execute this here and execute this here. We have some functions. So for this, just make a pause for this video. Click pause and copy wherever you want. Any one of those will work for you. Just copy anything you want. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, and I will run my application. So I will make it like this. I have here 3 viruses. I need to delete all these 3 viruses, and I will click here. Let me see if it will work or not. Alright. Okay. As you can see, it's open for me lots of viruses. Okay, here are 6 viruses, and as you can see here, and it doesn't work as I want because it I need to fix something. So give me a second just to fix this text here in our virus. I need to fix text to delete some lines. So guys, after fix, just to need few parts to fix this code. So you need to fix something. Here I need just to edit this n, and everything is good. Here you will need to edit this on a loop to create a lot of this, or just you can remove this. Okay, you can do it by yourself. So I will run now, save, and let's use our viruses. Okay, our viruses is work now. As you can see here, they are work perfect. As you can see here, our viruses work. So I just show you a simple code. You can create here powerful viruses in any language, in other language, or just in Java if you want to execute Java code, whatever you want to do. So this is the end of our tutorial today. I will see you in the next tutorial, and I want to tell you, this is just for a learning purpose. It's not something you should take it as a way to destroy other people's lives. Okay? This is just to learn purpose, to know how a virus is work and what is a virus and how you can create one. Okay, all this code you can use it to create a good program for yourself or for other people, and you can use it as a virus to destroy other people, whatever you want to do. I am not responsible about this. So see you in next tutorial. Have a with you.